Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, let's start. The first one is the Korean word for medicine, and that is 약. 약. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for driver, and that is 운전사. 운전사. Next, let's see how to say elementary school in Korean language, and that is 초등학교. 초등학교. Alright, now comes the Korean word for factory, and that is 공장. 공장. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for umbrella, and that is 우산. 우산. Now comes the Korean word for poem, and that is 시. 시. Next, let's see the Korean word for post office, and that is 우체국. 우체국. Now comes the Korean word for carrot, and that is 당근. 당근. Okay? Next, let's see the Korean word for lawyer, and that is 변호사. 변호사. And the last one is the Korean word for hat, and that is 모자. 모자. Alright, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean words that are used in everyday life. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.